Hey guys, Chris from Flow Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to install our side splitter kit on our i30N. We're using a new facelift 2 2025, but this will work for all i30Ns starting from 2018. Let's get into it. Before we get into it, I just thought I'd go through the kit because there's quite a few things here. First of all, the finishes, it comes in a nice gloss finish, which matches a lot of the gloss parts on the car. It also comes in a textured finish, which is very similar to the matte accents on the car, so you can choose either. We've got a winglets, which are optional, which I'll show you how to bolt on later. All the hardware is all stainless steel, so they're not going to rust, and there's a couple of templates too, which I'll go over. So we're under the car and we're ready to install our side splitter. The first thing you need to find is the reference points, meaning where does it sit on the car. So here, we've made a little notch that lines up with this little mud flap deflector thing. So line that up, butt it up against it, goes up nice and tight, and you know your first hole in the drill is there. Now we're going to go to the front and find the reference point for the front. So for the front, there's not really a good sort of point of reference. So what we've done is we've made a drilling template, so that way you know where to put the first hole, which will line up the rear. And how this works is, the template's there, it says front, so point it to the front of the car, and this shape will line up exactly with the side skirt. If you can see there, it all lines up perfectly. So all I gotta do now is drill that hole, drill the rear, and put the splitter on, and that will give me all the other holes. Now what you got to do is expand the two holes up to size 11 so we can put in our jack nuts. Now that you have the hole expanded to a size 11, what we can do is fit our jack nuts. So jack nuts, the reason why we use this is because there's actually no access to get behind the side skirt. If you were to take them off, you actually break all the clips, which means you need to go home there and buy all new clips. So our solution, you use a jack nut. What happens is you push it into a hole, you grab the compression tool, you compress it, and then kind of the legs expand behind it, giving you a nut on the other side so you can put your bolt in. I'm going to use this little scrap bit of ABS as an example, and I'll show you how to do it. So I've got my 11mm hole, I have my jack nut. So with this tool, how it works is you load up the tool first. So I'll spin on my jack nut, so it stays in place, like that. Push it into the hole, so that'll be the car. Push it in. And now you can use the tool to compress it. And you'll see behind, you can see it expand. That's what it looks like on the inside. And that's what you'll see under the car, ready to put a bolt in. So let's get that on the car. Now that you have your first and your last mounting point, you can temporarily fit the side skirt extension to the car, and then you can mark out all the middle holes and then put the jack nuts in those before you can fit it in completely. So I've drilled out the holes using the splitter as a template. Now I've just got to expand them all to size 11, and then I can put my jack nuts in. So once you've expanded the holes to 11mm, you jack nut all the holes. It should look something like this when you're done, and you can mount your splitter directly to your new mounting points. Now we can fit the splitter using the hardware provided. now that you have your side skirt extension fitted, we have your winglets to put on. So if you've optioned for these, what you need to do is line these up to the pre-existing thread under the splitter. Line it up, put your bolts on, you can make the adjustments. We can also have the front ones that can go there. You can put front, rear, or both, or none, it's up to you. And before this car, we're gonna fully load it. Go. Side skirt extensions have been installed on the car with all the winglets. You can option with, without, it's up to you. Now when it comes to installing, I highly recommend you grab a jack nut gun. It just makes the job a lot easier. Well, with that, I hope you found this video useful and thanks for watching.